You know, we just like to hang out places that we're comfortable. If you want to make your inbox a little more comfortable, come up to your settings gear and go to themes. And you can choose a theme that you love that would be pleasing to you. And then go ahead and hit save. And there you go. There's your beautiful theme. The other thing that you can do to make your inbox a little more homey is to put an avatar. So you come up to your initial here, and then you're going to click on the photo. And you might have some photos already stored up. It would come up here. If you don't, you can go to Upload Photos, select a photo from your computer, and find one that is appropriate for you, that represents you properly. Click it, hit open, and then it's going to ask you to crop it out. So you crop it however you would like. All right, and then set as profile. Mine will not show up here, yours will. This is a demo account from the school system, but yours will turn up right there. And it just makes your inbox a little more homey.